Can I get Discovery Plus on Sky? Yes, Discovery Plus is available on Sky, allowing Sky customers to stream Discovery's on-demand content and live channels directly through their Sky device. The availability depends on the Sky package and region. First, Discovery Plus availability on Sky. Discovery Plus is integrated into Sky Q, Sky Glass, and Sky Stream. Sky customers can activate Discovery Plus for free if it is included in their Sky package, or they can subscribe separately. 2. Free Discovery Plus for Sky customers. Sky customers with the Sky Cinema package get Discovery Plus free at no extra cost. Other users may need to subscribe directly through Discovery Plus. 3. How to access Discovery Plus on Sky. Users can access Discovery Plus on Sky through the Apps section or voice search. However, an activation process is required before first use. 4. How to activate Discovery Plus on Sky. Step 1. Press the Home button on your Sky remote. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps section and select Discovery Plus. Step 3. Click Sign In or Start Activation. Step 4. Scan the QR code on the screen or visit the provided activation link. Step 5. Log in with your Discovery Plus account or create a new one. Step 6. Link your Sky account if eligible for free access. 5. Watching Discovery Plus on Sky. Once activated, users can stream Discovery Plus originals, live TV channels, and on-demand shows directly through their Sky Q, Sky Glass, or Sky Stream device. 6. Troubleshooting common issues. If Discovery Plus does not work on Sky, try the following. Restart your Sky device and reopen the Discovery Plus app. Update Sky software if prompted. Ensure your Sky package includes Discovery Plus if trying to access it for free. Relink your Discovery Plus account through the Sky activation page if login issues occur. 7. Alternative streaming methods. If Discovery Plus is not available on your Sky package, you can still access it by using the Discovery Plus app on a smart TV, Fire Stick, Roku, or Apple TV. Watching via a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Discovery Plus is fully supported on Sky Q, Sky Glass, and Sky Stream, with free access for Sky Cinema customers. Users can activate it through the Sky app section and enjoy seamless streaming.